Hello students, let's start the first chapter, standard 12, subject English, the further explanation. Your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. They preferred to put you to work on a farm or at the mills so as to have a little more money. And I have been to blame also. Have you not often sent you to the water my flowers instead of learning your lessons? So here the authors informs to us that your parents, they were not worried about your homework, your study, etc. They sent you in the farm or in the mill for the extra money. They want wages. Even I am not blaming to your parents, but I also blame to myself, because instead of a study I sent you to water my flowers. So there is a mentioning about that, the why the author did not learn the language. So the M. Hamel blamed himself, even also the blame on the parents too. And when I was wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you holiday? So the M. Hamel also informed that when I went for a fishing, that time I gave you holiday. So it is one of the reasons that you did not attend the class, and you did not attend the class, that is why you didn't study, and that is why you unable to learn a language. Then from one thing to another, M. Hamel went to the talk one of the French language, saying that it was the most beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. So here the author informs to us that the language which they learn, for M. Hamel, the French language, it is the one of the beautiful language. The M. Hamel looking around the thing in the class, because it is the last hour that he is spending in the classroom. Afterwards the French language and the French class will not do there, and that is why the French language for M. Hamel, the one of the beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical, and we must guard it, and that thing we never forget, because when the people enslave, as long as they hold fast their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. It means if you improve your language, so you can be out from your prison. So you should make your language more powerful and understandable. Next it is a mention that then he opened a grammar and read us our lesson. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. All he said seemed so easy, I think too that I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained and everything with so much patience. So here the author informs too that for this time the author understand everything, and the M. Hamel opened one of the grammar topic he started to teach, and while M. Hamel teaching to students, for the little friends easily understood all the thing. I had never explained everything with so much patience. It seems almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before going away, and to put it all into our heads at one stroke. So the little friends thought about that at a last hour or at a last day, M. Hamel tried to teach everything in a one stroke, he tried to learn everything, because it may be the last hour or the last session for the M hammer. So everybody, they learn very patience. Next here it is a mention about after the grammar we had a lesson in writing. That day M Hamel had a new copies for us, written in a beautiful round table. So here it is, the author informs after the grammar we have a written lesson. That day M Hamel had a new copies for us and written in a beautiful round hand, French, Alsace, France, Alsace, etc. So the next session it is about to the writing session, and with a beautiful handwriting there is a mentioning about to the French, Alsace, French, etc. They looked like little flag floating everywhere in the schoolroom, hung from the road at the top of our desk. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work and how quiet it was. So here it is a mention about that everyone. It means the students, even the elders, they attend the class. They looked like a little flags, floating flags that we know. Floating it means उड़ना जिसको कहते हैं हम. So the flag of the French, they floating in the classroom, hung from the road at the top of our desk. On the desk, it may be hung. It means the flag, it may be hung. You ought to have seen how everyone sat to work and how quiet it was. The only sound was the scratching of pens over the paper. So only there is a sound that all those presented in the class, they have written something. So the scratch mark of the pen, it can be easily heard. It means the pin drop silence to there. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them. Not even the little ones, who work right on a tracing their fish hawks, as if that was a French too. That time in the class, a one beetle entered. It means a one fly entered in the class, but nobody paid attention to them. Even the little small child, they did not attention. They work and they tracing. It means they draw. There is a mentioning about the fishing hawks, and those are the little one considered as it is a French language. So they also very keen to learn the French language, but they are the tracing their fish hawks. On the roof of the pigeons cooked very low, and I thought myself, will they make them sing in a German, even the pigeons? So here it is a mentions about that time the pigeon coo on the roof, and I have a questions that make them sing in a German, even the pigeons. It means the pigeons, they afterwards they will sing. It means their sound in the German language. So it is the explanations, further explanations I'll post later. Thank you students.